Welcome to Africa Contemporary Farmers, where we explore the power of nature to transform lives and promote sustainable health. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of medicinal herbs and their role in managing diabetes naturally. Across Africa, our landscapes are abundant with these treasures, offering solutions that combine ancient wisdom with modern health practices. Throughout this video, we'll introduce some of the most effective herbs used for diabetes management, such as bitter melon, fenugreek, turmeric, cinnamon, aloe vera, and neem. We'll highlight their unique properties, how they work to regulate blood sugar levels, and how you can incorporate them into your daily routine. Beyond their health benefits, we'll emphasize the importance of cultivating and safeguarding these valuable resources. Herbs like bitter melon and holy basil can thrive in community gardens or home plots, contributing to both personal health and economic opportunities for local farmers. Protecting native plants like Gymnema sylvestre ensures these traditional remedies remain available for generations to come. By growing these herbs and adopting sustainable farming practices, we can enhance health outcomes while empowering African farmers to lead in the global wellness market. Imagine a future where communities benefit from both the health and economic value of these natural resources, creating a ripple effect of prosperity and well-being. As we conclude, remember that the journey toward health and sustainability starts with small, intentional steps. Whether you're cultivating a single herb at home or supporting local farmers, you are contributing to a movement that honors Africa's natural heritage and ensures a healthier future for all. Together, let's harness the power of our land and grow stronger naturally. Treating diabetes with natural herbs. Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects millions of people worldwide, requiring lifelong management of blood sugar levels to prevent complications. While conventional treatments such as medication and insulin therapy remain crucial, natural herbs have gained attention for their potential role in supporting diabetes management. These herbs, combined with a healthy lifestyle, may help regulate blood sugar levels and improve overall well-being. Below, we explore some of the most effective herbs and their benefits in managing diabetes. Bitter melon, a tropical fruit, is known for its insulin-like compounds that help lower blood sugar levels. It is often consumed as juice, tea, or in capsule form. Studies suggest that bitter melon can enhance glucose uptake by cells, making it a promising herb for diabetes care. However, caution is advised as it may cause hypoglycemia if taken alongside other glucose-lowering medications. Growing bitter melon at home can provide a sustainable source of this herb. It thrives in warm climates and requires minimal care, making it accessible for households and community gardens. Fenugreek seeds are rich in soluble fiber, which slows carbohydrate absorption and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Soaking the seeds overnight and consuming them in the morning or taking them as a supplement are common practices. While generally safe, it's essential to monitor for potential allergic reactions. Farmers and gardeners are encouraged to cultivate fenugreek as it grows quickly and is highly versatile, benefiting not only those with diabetes but also contributing to soil health through nitrogen fixation. Cinnamon is a popular spice with properties that improve insulin sensitivity and lower fasting blood glucose levels. Adding cinnamon to meals or consuming it as tea can provide these benefits. It is recommended to use Ceylon cinnamon, as cassia cinnamon may harm the liver if consumed in high amounts. Safeguarding cinnamon trees and supporting sustainable harvesting practices can ensure long-term availability of this valuable herb. Community initiatives to grow and protect these trees can also boost local economies. Aloe vera has been studied for its ability to reduce fasting blood glucose and HbA1c levels. It can be consumed as juice or gel, ensuring it is food-grade and free from added sugars. However, aloe vera may interact with certain medications, so consultation with a healthcare provider is advised. Aloe vera is easy to grow in pots or gardens and requires little water, making it a suitable plant for arid regions. Promoting its cultivation can ensure a steady supply for medicinal and personal use. Known as the sugar destroyer, Gymnema sylvestre reduces sugar absorption in the gut and enhances insulin function. It is typically consumed as tea or in supplement form. Regular monitoring of blood sugar levels is crucial when using this herb to avoid hypoglycemia. Efforts to cultivate and protect Gymnema sylvestre in its native habitats can prevent overharvesting and ensure its availability for future generations. Supporting local growers and conservation projects is vital. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with anti-inflammatory and blood sugar-lowering properties. Incorporating turmeric into meals, preparing golden milk, or taking supplements can help manage diabetes. However, turmeric may thin the blood, so caution is needed if you are on anticoagulants. Educating communities about the benefits of turmeric and encouraging its cultivation can contribute to better health outcomes and economic growth, especially in regions where it thrives naturally. Ginger is another herb with the potential to improve insulin sensitivity and manage glucose levels. It can be consumed as tea, fresh, or powdered in meals. Overconsumption may cause digestive discomfort, so moderation is key. Supporting small-scale farmers to grow ginger and promoting its use in local diets can enhance both community health and livelihoods. Found in plants like golden seal and barberry, berberine has shown significant potential in lowering blood sugar and improving insulin sensitivity. It is often taken in capsule form, but may cause stomach upset. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid berberine. Sustainable harvesting and cultivation of plants rich in berberine can protect these species from depletion and ensure continued access for medicinal use. Neem has long been used in traditional medicine for its ability to reduce blood sugar levels and enhance insulin sensitivity. Neem tea or capsules are common forms of consumption. Consulting a healthcare provider is advised to avoid interactions with medications. Planting neem trees in communities can provide environmental benefits, such as improved air quality and erosion control, while ensuring a sustainable supply of this powerful herb. Holy basil, or tulsi, is revered for its ability to reduce blood sugar levels and its antioxidant properties. Brewing the leaves into tea or taking supplements can support diabetes management. As with other herbs, it is essential to ensure no adverse interactions with medications. Promoting the cultivation of holy basil in community gardens and households can ensure accessibility to this versatile herb and support local health practices. While herbs can play a supportive role in managing diabetes, they work best when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Here are some tips. Focus on a diet rich in fiber, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats. Physical activity improves insulin sensitivity and helps maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Regularly check your blood sugar levels to track progress and effectiveness of herbal remedies. These habits can worsen diabetes complications. It is important to consult a healthcare provider before incorporating herbs into your diabetes management plan, especially if you are on medication. Some herbs may interact with medications, leading to unwanted side effects or complications. By integrating natural herbs into your diabetes care routine, promoting their cultivation, and safeguarding their natural habitats, we can take a holistic approach to managing this condition effectively. Remember, diabetes management is a journey, and every step toward better health counts.